So previously we had seen that how basically we can extract various fields using Palo Alto Network add-on, which we had downloaded from Splunk base, right? And after installing this add-on, basically all fields were getting extracted, right? Now we have basically another data index is equal to web. Now again we will be extracting fields, but this time instead of using some ready-made add-on, we will try to extract it manually. So at times it may happen that you have to extract particular logs, but for that you don't have any ready-made add-on or apps, right? So here we will see how basically we can extract, okay, manually. So for extracting manually, you can just click on extract new fields. So after this, just select one of the records, okay, then click next. Then it will ask you whether you want to use regular expression for extraction or you want to use delimiter for extraction basically. So if you have some data available in CSV format, okay, or you have something which is separated by tab or some other delimiter, then you can use this one, okay. But in our case it's not these fields. If we will see, so this represents some source IP address, okay, this represents some user, right? Then we have under double quotes, these two double quotes, we have some data, right? So it's not normal delimiter separated value, so we will use regular expression. So you can select regular expression, click next, and then you can basically over here you can just select various values, and then it will ask you what field name you want to give this value. So this looks like source, so I will select its source, okay. This started showing over here. Then this is user, so I will select, give the field name as user. Then this is HTTP method, so I will name it method in short. Then this I will name it as URI, okay. So URI. Then this, okay, is not, I just missed to click. So this we will give name as URI. Then this one is version, right? HTTP version, so we will name it version, VRSION, it should be, right? Add extraction. Then this is basically HTTP response status, okay. So I will name it status in short. Then this is basically your bytes, so I will name it bytes. Then you have Apache HTTP, this one. So this one is basically your user agent, so this I will name it as user agent. So this I will name it as user agent. Now let's see if it's all getting extracted. Yeah, it seems like it's all getting extracted. So over here, okay, so you can see like what all events are getting smashed to your fields, okay, to the fields that you have that you are trying to extract. So src user, I can see all these things are already getting extracted, okay. If I go on the right side, I can see all are getting extracted. So, and if I click on non-matches, so it's giving no result found, so that's good, right? Non-matches, basically we don't want anything to be not matched, right? So it's good that there is no non-matches. So after this we will click on next, so it will validate. It will show you something like this, okay, for your validation. So over here, if you you can click on show regular expression. So basically when you selected various values and you gave name to the field, okay, so Splunk automatically created regular expression. Okay, now suppose you are not satisfied with the field extraction, okay, so in that case you can write your own regex. Okay, so if you have something in non-matches and you see that okay, by default Splunk is not able to generate right regular expression, so in that case you can always write your own regular expression or you can tweak it. Okay, so now we will click on next. So suppose in this, okay, if I want to further change something, so what I will do is like I will go back and I will say no, I don't want it to be like this. So you need to click on edit regular expression and I will say that okay, I don't want it to be like this, I want it to be user underscore agent. Then I will save it. So now over here you have to give permissions. So I will select all app. So if you don't want it to be, want this extraction to be available to other users, so you will just keep it to yourself. If you want other also to access this knowledge object, okay, then you can select all apps, then further give permission that if you want only these roles to read your knowledge object, that means use your knowledge object. So you will basically give read permission and write permission, that means modification permission will be only with the admin. Okay, so if you are selecting this app, only this app, okay, so this means like this is knowledge object is getting created in search, right? So people and including you will be only able to access this knowledge object from the search app. Okay, but you want it to be available from all the apps, right, in all the apps. So select this one and then click finish. So once you click finish, you can just explore the field, click on this and it will basically take you here, and now you can see over here, you can see all the users value is getting extracted under user field. Similarly URI and bytes and status, right, all are getting extracted.